Hey, Dust. It is Friday, May 17th, 2024. I am doing my normal daily activities. Um, Now that I'm not working, the gym is like my job, so I make sure I show up every day on time. So I showed up today actually early, but I hadn't had this. I need this. This is like my pre-workout to give me the energy I need to get done with my workout. Um, so I had to get that. Uh, and in my coffee, I don't get sugar. I just get 2 creams and a Splenda. Been doing that for years. I did stop my coffee habit for like a month while I was working, and then I just picked it back up when I start working out again. I'm gonna try to let go of this coffee habit, but it's hard, y'all. It's hard. It's a struggle. So I I wrote out my little to-do list, and I got this little planner from Dollar Tree. It's like the Happy Planners little notebook they have at Hobby Lobby. I think Michael's might have it too, but I know Hobby Lobby has it. And I love the little pink paper. So one of my quirks, one of my hobbies is planning. And I've been doing it since I was in high school. But back then we didn't have all the stickers and, you know, things like that. We just had you know, our Franklin Coveys, and that's pretty much it. We had different color paper and we had different color ink and highlighters. So now, when these whole sticker things started coming out, I was just like all over it, and I still love, love, love it. But I don't like my current planner. It's the Recollections planner. I don't like it because the weekly things are horizontal, and I actually prefer the vertical. So I'm gonna go and get me another Happy Planner probably after we move, because I noticed that I'm really not liking it. I love the cover of it. It's got this paisley, teal, turquoise, pinks, all these cute colors on the front. I'll show it to you guys later in the video, but I love it. And if I do it when we move, I'm gonna do it with another channel. I'm not gonna do it. This channel will strictly be handbags, maybe a little bit of vlogging, and that's it. But I want to have a separate channel for planning, and that's just fun to me. So that's on my agenda today. Actually, I didn't say anything that was on my agenda. After the gym, of course, getting my shower. I take a shower twice. So before I go to the gym, I shower, and then I take a shower when I get back. That's just me. I like to be fresh, and I know, anyway, that's just me. It's always been me. My cousins used to talk about me and say, why time you always taking a shower? I just like water. Like, I'm a water person. It's certain hairstyles I can't get because I'm a water person. So I'm not the typical girl. I probably wash my hair a lot more than most people do. And it's because I really like water. It refreshes me. It just makes me feel clean, and it makes me relax. It helps me relax, I should say. So I've always been like that since I was a baby. I like water, and I like air, specifically cold air. So yeah, so I have to shower before the gym. I shower after the gym. I don't like sweat on me at all. So even when before I leave the gym, I go to the bathroom and wipe off, even though my house is only 5 minutes down the street. I just don't like the feeling of sweat. So shower, get my food, my lunch. Then I have to make a Walmart return. Then I'm gonna go back home and pack up the office and then rest. I'm gonna try to rest today about 2 o'clock. And then I'm gonna get back up in an hour. Hopefully I get an hour nap and go pick up my daughter, or my husband might pick her up if he's out, and then get back to packing up the office. So that's all I have on my agenda today, is to get that office done. I want to only take 3 boxes worth of things because I got so much stuff in there. I know that's not going to be possible, but I'm really going to try to limit it to 3 boxes. Anything over that, I'm going to have to donate it, which is going to kill me because I got a lot of planners and stuff that I wanted to sell, because planning is a hobby and it's something you invest in. And so some of those items I can sell, but then some of those items I'm like, you know, I don't need to sell them. I can donate them because they're not, you know, they're older. I got a Coach, a really old vintage Coach planner. It's like a little PM size, maybe like this big, and it's red leather, because you know, this back in the day when Coach was on leather. And I kept saying I'm gonna save it for my daughters, but my daughters they don't like the stuff that I like. So I'm gonna have to, I still might save that and sell it later when we move, because I love that planner and I remember when I got it. But anyway, I'm gonna sell that because somebody might be a collector and just want it, you know. But that's on the agenda, and that's really it. That's really it. I don't think there's anything else I need to talk about. I'm on my way to this gym. I'm gonna finish my coffee real quick. And what is going on with the trucks today? It's a lot of like pickup trucks like coming over here today. Well, I shouldn't say a lot. I only seen like 4. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my little coffee and hit this gym. Yep, they did know each other because they still sitting over there. Hit this gym. I'm not doing any shopping because I don't want to have to take any extra stuff. There are a few stores here I wanted to hit up before we left, because I don't know if they're gonna have them in North Carolina, like this Ollie's. We don't have that in Missouri. We didn't have it in Tennessee, not that I remember. And so I was like, I kind of want to go there because they have really cheap rugs, like area rugs. And when I first moved here, I bought like 4 rugs, and they were only like, I don't know, like $100-some. And I want to go and look at their rugs, but then I don't want to go, you know, because I really don't want to have extra stuff to take on the truck. And we already got our quote, so that's going to be expensive. It's about $13,000 for the move. Hopefully I can get it down if we can get rid of some more stuff, but yeah, it's expensive to move out of state. But well, I should say it's expensive if you have a large family. It's 5 of us, so it's a lot, you know. This is my little bag for the gym today. And the reason I'm carrying this is my daughter's old Coach bag. And I'm carrying this, shoot, I'm finna run out of time, y'all. But I'm carrying it because I don't have my Adidas bag because it's in my office, probably packed up. So I'm carrying my daughter's old bag. All right, bye y'all. I'll talk to y'all later.